I get told all the time, Glenn, you are so lucky. You get to list properties just like this all the time. But you know what? Luck has nothing to do with it, because when we sold this property to this people 11 years ago, well, you know what? I've stalked them for the last 11 years. You should see the amount of leaflets I put in this mailbox just to get this listing back so I can sell it to you. When the current owners of this home first saw it, they fell in love with the beautiful floor plan. We've got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, separate living areas, including lounge, dining, and family room. But most of all, they loved this out the back, an absolutely massive outdoor area, and they've just improved it. They put in a massive shed, and of course you can get to it, so no problems with a boat or caravan. Check it out. Impressive, isn't she? And of course, we are located in Grammar Park, which is one of Ipswich's most sought after addresses. Couple that together with air conditioning, fresh internal paintwork, new carpets, solar. Did I say that you can walk to the bus service too? And you're absolutely going to love how whisper quiet it is living right here in Grammar Park.